have to smart my youth. I'm in the street mad, yeah.
So peeps, you know that dancehall is a very tribalistic place where people align themselves to a particular artist and them take the thing very serious. And we have many Jamaican vloggers who tend to align themselves to particular artists. I say their artist, them artists, and nobody can say nothing about the artist there. Anybody say anything about the artist there. I be things. You see me I say. I was watching Reggae Sumfest Dancehall Night and I was interacting with some subscribers and viewers in the comment section, and you want to see the carnage we are going in the comment section between the Jamaican vloggers them. You understand? It's not a good look, you know, look good, you know, sound good. You understand? It's just like some of the artists them when you fight for run yard and not think about abroad. You understand what I say? And while them a fight for run yard, you have some man a dig it and a fat up them bank book abroad. Me I talk about it some more when me circle. Me soon forward.
Before we proceed, smash the like button to pieces. Leave a comment, please share the life out of this video. Feel free to subscribe for more content. Remember to turn on your notification so as to never miss another video.
Let's do it.
Like, yo, wanna just pause the gun song for a second. Pause all of them song there, just for a second. I'm gonna bring out the bullshit to them post. But them not really want me to say.
Peeps, you know we have many clans and cliques and gangs in the dancehall. From Alliance days, you have Gaza, you have Empire, you have Vendetta now, you have Gully, you have Unruly, you have Sparta, Fourth Generation / GOP, Genocide, and the list goes on and on and on. And for whatever reason, some of the vloggers them feel like say them have to align themselves to a particular set of people. Me not see why. Zine, I have never hidden the fact that Vybz Kartel I'm a DJ. But you never hear me come here come tell a man say yo Gaza. Me say no brother, that's not necessary. You understand me? I say Kartel I'm a DJ, you know. You understand? I mean not say a particular clique or camp. Me say music can me listen to everybody, every artist me listen to. You understand me? I say from Killer the Godfather come right back down the road. Alkaline, Vendetta, Spark, everybody me listen. You understand me? I say. So you will never hear me come here so come say yo a Gaza. Me say no brother. Me say music, yes, Kartel I'm an artist. But me and a man now go war because him say Gully and me say Kartel. Me and a man now go war because him say Vendetta. You see me I say a man can come and tell me anything he want to tell me, but me not go war with him because Kartel don't pay me. The Ministry of Education pays me, and they have given it to the Ministry of Education and the Jamaican government many times because we're not partial when it comes to wrong and right. You understand what I say? So if my artist wrong up me, I tell us my artist wrong up me that. Then I'm not going to run in upon no man and tell no man them to go do this because him this my artist. That don't make no sense, rude boy. So in the comment section I be mother this and suck that and batty this and gunshot this and that. For what? You know idiot or something youths? Then you have some man a farm up with some other man. Then to take on some other man. It's like a whole music thing on YouTube that you know. You see me I say? You know fool like.
I sound really dumb when I tell me on a dark you dedication are the key. Not IG views, intelligent are the new badness. Not these fools, we can't even explain what the fuck is queer wrote. But ask them about Top Shatter, ask them about Tom Cruise. Yo, that straight says a TV I talk to. Nobody laugh dog, nobody laugh youth.
Peeps, most of them worse than the 2 grand and 3 grand followers them run the artists them. You understand what I say? And you see the artists them 99% of the time is a lyrical thing. You know artists are tell a man say yo my buck you run me I kill you and it happen. Some of them have vlogger you don't even trust them because you can't even see them. You understand? They might back up some picture on them so you don't know who is who and what is what neither. You see me as a peeps, you know look good, you know sound good. You see me the pan and Emmanuel will stop the foolishness. Because you're one of the biggest problems now too. Many of the youths them only see this thing as just being okay, I go up on YouTube go share my opinion and that YouTube is a business. There are thousands and tens of thousands of people around the world that are wealthy through YouTube. So what? Now Jamaican vlogger or Jamaican related vlogger or dancehall vlogger can aspire to that.
Them no want for rich again. Most of them just want for dead. Want to make it in and the ghetto then go corporate. Want to BET and the red carpet. Wait, when no start fret, dog, me never start yet. Keep all on the mouth yet. Them not act like them want it. I hype over Benz, Beamer and Lexus. So what y'all try tell me say, no man no want jet.
You understand? YouTube is not just about saying what upon your mind and uploading a video. People watch you. You don't know who will see you. You don't know which company might see you and want to do some work with you. You understand? There are opportunities out there, business opportunities out there. You have to build your brand at a particular level of decency. Make people see and want to align them brand to you and do some work where you can make some more money. Because AdSense no make sense most of the time. You understand? You have to seek the opportunities to build your brand and accumulate money through that. You know, cut out the foolishness. You understand? And the youth them will just come in a thing and I follow them man. They want to see what they want to say on a vlog at them and them say it can't go and say I go do it. You not get involved in them something the road boy. Have one thought process. Be one man. You see me the pan?
Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach. 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 Beat and teach.
It's like a fucking crab war. The space today. So while the top stars are war, at least act like I'm glad to get the bus. Cause enough man do not found and reach that far.
Yo, so we need to leg off of them negative energy there. The thing not so serious. You see me and say a man can disagree with you and voice him opinion and him concerns. I don't need for war about you. I tell a man about them mother, bat you up no man. I tell a man to go suck this and suck that. I go bang up in the head back or them something. You know necessary, you know achieve nothing and them things I'm telling you say turn off people. You see me and say, but to each his own self. We can only try to educate and edify and help some youth elevate themselves, you know. But at the end of the day, them say you can't bring the cow guy the water, but you can't force him to drink it. Don't. I encourage the youths them to remember say there is potential for you to live off of YouTube, but you have to just be wise. Leg off of the foolishness. Them artists they even see some money, you know. Some of the artists in soon on road and even know to be. You understand? As Gates, every man I talk about every man want house and car, but what? No man no want jet. You see me? So it's like when an artist a fight for run yard when Sean Paul and Shaggy are the two richest artists in the business. We are alive. You understand me? I say, you ever hear them man in no foolishness? You ever see them man in a man a yard a war for run yard? You understand? So when I have a time for them something, you will never see me and the next vlogger I say we have beef in a war. I mean I don't have time for them something rude boy. I'm gonna put myself in a position for them things. They can realize I'm not click up with no money. You understand? I do my thing myself. There are a couple of YouTubers who we shout out from time to time or we have mad respect for. You see me I say, but I just so that's a thing there. You see me? So this is about putting yourselves in a position where we can earn from what we do. Because it takes a lot of effort and a lot of time to do this YouTube thing if you are going to do it right, you know. You understand what I say? So don't make no man prevent you from growing and moving forward in the future because of some like waste loose argument and some dancehall artists will even give you a shout out road boys. You see me I say? So the man them need for the better. You understand? And stop being like some girl too. Because someone will be chasing. You see me the pan? A man them for grow up and be men. You understand? And you sell Jamaica to people from all around the world are watching you. And you behave just like how the artists them behave. And worse than how the artists them behave. You know look good. And some of the artists them even want to represent them neither. You understand what I say? Babes, my God.
Now stay far from the topic. Some man we act like bad man, me need them to stop it. Stop sing to the youth, them bound a bleach with gun. Because when night time come, on a night rise no matic.
Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.